I'm in the process of making a new tabletop for my CNC router. And I want to put a bunch of these screw inserts. These screw inserts have a 1/4 inch 20 thread per inch hole in the center, then a larger thread on the outside. And I drilled holes in my tabletop, and these will be screwed into those holes. Then I can use these to add clamps and various adapters for attaching pieces of wood that I'll be carving on my CNC router. The issue I've had in the past is getting these to go in straight. I did this by hand in the past on my previous tabletop, and occasionally they got twisted. Usually that first thread catches it and pulls it to the side, and it goes in crooked. So I needed a way to get these to go in nice and straight. So I started off by first of all drilling the holes in the tabletop. This is done with a standard bit that they include with the kit with these inserts. And these holes are the exact size needed to meet this thread. What I need to do next is to get these screwed in the tabletop. Now I could just attach these to this adapter and attach this to my drill, and then use this to drill in the tabletop. But even doing that, quite a few of the adapters got in cockeyed. And usually what happens is that first thread catches the bit a little bit and then causes it to twist to the side so it doesn't go in straight. Or even you got to make sure your drill is perfectly straight. So it's hard to get that aligned because you really can't see. I have no level on my drill or anything, so I can't really see it. And I said the first issue is that I think that first thread catches it and pulls it to the side. So I needed a way to get these to go in straighter. So I made 2 jigs to do this. These are both designed in my Fusion 360 software. Pretty simple jigs. This first jig is just a plate which is 3½ inches in diameter, has a 1/2 inch diameter hole through the center. And this is designed as a guide. This 1/2 inch hole is the exact same diameter as the shaft on this piece, and that guides the piece in the tabletop. So the idea is to hold this flush against the tabletop, use this, and then drive it into the tabletop. But I wanted a little more than this 1/2 inch extension, so I made another adapter. This adapter is, again, 1/2 inch diameter, has a 1/4 inch hex head insert through hole, and that slides over the shaft. Now that gives me a full 1 inch of guide for this adapter, and I still have enough room here to catch on my drill tip. So now as I'm driving this through, I have a full 1 inch, and that doesn't twist at all. It goes in nice and straight. So the idea is to, add your piece to this adapter, put it in here, line it up with a hole, hold this down flush, and then drill it into the tabletop. So that'd be attached to your drill, like that. You do this, line it with the hole to get it lined up, push this down flush, hold it tight as you drill it in the tabletop. And that works out quite nicely. The other issue I have with these inserts, occasionally, with this MDF, some of the inserts were pulling up as I was using them. So I wanted to fix these in there a little bit permanently. So I'm putting a thin layer of epoxy on the inside of the hole. And that just gives enough additional gluing ability that these inserts will not come out. Now I won't be able to take them out to reuse them because they'll be lost if I make a new tabletop, but at least they won't come out during my use of the system. So let me start by mixing up some epoxy, and then we'll attach it to the inside of the hole, and then attach these inserts and drive them into the holes in the tabletop. Now this epoxy sets up in 5 minutes, and I can do a couple of these at a time. So I just take a little bit of this and I just coat the inside of the hole. Doesn't need much. Let me just do 2 holes here real quick. I have my insert ready. Attach it in here. Line it to the hole. Push this down flush, and then drive it into the hole. And there it is, perfect. Do the second one real quick. Same thing. Line it with the hole. Hold it down flush. And that fast. So these go pretty quick. I then continued to insert the remainder of the E-Z LOK brass screw inserts into the MDF tabletop, lining each of the holes with a thin layer of epoxy, and then using the alignment jigs to accurately align and screw each of the inserts into one of the tabletop holes. Well, I just inserted a bunch of 1/4 inch carriage bolts in these holes so you can see how accurate they are. So the system produced holes with this jig very, very accurate, But in addition, it was much faster. I did this in less than half the time that it took previously. And every one of these insertions is perfectly straight. They're at perfect depth. They're about maybe a 32nd inch below the tabletop. So they're just perfect. It worked out quite nicely. These two alignment jigs were 3D printed using my Bamboo 3D printer using PLA plastic filament material. The large disc is 3.5 inches in diameter by 1 inch thick with a 1/2 inch center hole. The smaller spacer is a 1/2 inch in diameter by 1/2 inch thick with a 1/4 inch hex center hole. These two jigs enabled the accurate screwing of the E-Z LOK brass screw inserts into my MDF tabletop. Using a hand drill with the E-Z LOK insertion tool and these alignment jigs, the process was not only accurate but also very fast. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please respond to me via the email address listed at the end of this video.